Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a tan interior. Also have that really nice wood grain trim. Blind spot assist. Let's go and come around to the back here. And we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats. And that really nice accent trim. Rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And I'll take a look at the driver's side next. So we do have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats for the driver. You can see the power seat controls here, power door controls, driver seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, and we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage currently at 9,485. We have a push button ignition. And here you can see our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display, currently showing navigation and radio and backup camera. And of course you can control it using the touchscreen there. You also have a command module right down here. You can use this to scroll through the menu and then push down to select. Below the display is our climate controls. You also notice this vehicle is equipped with LED ambient lighting throughout, and it's fully customizable through the menu screens as well. Cup holder, center console storage, and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 or any other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.